1. Kudankulam plant safest in the world, says Russian official. GS Paper 3, Disaster Management. What is the context about? The Kudankulam nuclear power plant, KKNPP, is the first in the world to have post-Fukushima safety enhancement requirements implemented and operated successfully, said a Russian nuclear industry official. The basic technical design of Units 1 and 2 would have withstood a Fukushima-like incident, they said. While Unit 1 at Kudankulam is functional and producing electricity after initial hiccups, Unit 2 had attained criticality on July 10 and is planned to be connected to the grid in August. How safe is the reactor? There are a number of advanced active and passive safety systems which ensure unprecedented design-level nuclear and ecological safety of the plant. Double localizing and protective containment, passive heat removal system from reactor plant automatically, core catcher, and closed industrial water intake are some of the safety features. Incorporated. The reactor is protected from the impact of any earthquake, tsunami, tornado and hurricane. Seawater. Given that a large amount of seawater is drawn in to cool the reactors, measures have been taken to preserve the biological diversity of the Mannar Bay adjacent to Kudankulam. Seawater is supplied from the so-called bucket constructed in the sea into the special facilities and systems which ensure that fish and plankton return to sea. India and Russian nuclear cooperation. As part of India-Russian nuclear cooperation, the Rosatom State Nuclear Corporation is scheduled to construct 6 units of the 1000 light water reactors at Kudankulam. In December 2014, both sides announced a decision for the construction of at least 12 more units in India. On India's request, additional safety measures are being enforced in Units 3 and 4 to withstand even higher seismic, climatic and technical impact. On Units 5 and 6, in November 2015, Russia submitted the technical commercial offer and their design had been agreed upon. In February, a roadmap for construction of Units 5 and 6 prior to the General Framework Agreement, GFA, has been signed. The GFA is expected to be signed in autumn this year. Russia is awaiting India's decision on another site for setting up additional reactors.